Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna try the eyebrow shaping rules that you see on the internet, and I will see if that works for my eyebrow shape because I believe that rules doesn't necessarily apply to everyone. Before we jump to our video today, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please do and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And let's get started. Okay, I just zoom my camera so you guys can see better. And what I found on the website, this is from cosmopolitan.com. 3 easy steps to perfect eyebrow shaping. So you start with point A, which is the head of the eyebrow. Seems like you start where your nose is. And I will be using Cosluxe Brows Up Gel Eyebrow Pencil to make a guideline. Because I already have thick bridge here, I don't think I will go further than my bridge. If I go this, it will be here, and I don't think that would make sense for my eyebrow to start. So I think it also can apply to your brows. Like if you try to follow it and it doesn't make sense, then you clearly doesn't want to follow that, right? Okay, and then point B, which is the curve or the edge of brows, the arc of brow, will be outer corner edge of iris. This is weird. However, a more sophisticated eye is achieved when the highest point occurs at the outer corner of the eyeball. So I think it can be here next to iris or here where your eyes ends. And I think for my face, it should be here. And the last one is point D, which is where Dipbrow ends. So it said that you should angle where your eyes end and your nose, and that should be where your eyebrow ends. Ooh, that's pretty long. And to fill my eyebrows, I will be using Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in soft brown. This is really weird. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the other side and see what it looks like. I already feel both of them, and now I'm gonna try to clean them up with a little bit of concealer. Now that they are cleaned up, and I put a little bit of clear mascara from Maybelline Great Lash, and I kind of like it. What do you guys think? Even though it's a little bit longer than my normal brow routine, but it is for sure not everyday eyebrow look. It's really like bold and full glam type of thing. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and you can share this video. If not, then it's okay. And I hope you have a great day, and I love you guys so much. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.